Schools Division of Calamba City.
Oh, anak ko yung pangalawa, yung nakapula. Yung pangalawang tinawag.
Ernie Sidamo from Ternate Central Elementary School, Schools Division of Cavite Province.
Ayan. Ayan siya. Oh. Ayan siya, ayan na siya. Ayan, nakapula. Ayan. Ayan. Ay, ayun.
Sylvia Rivora from Hanagutu Elementary School, Schools Division of Indo City. Sammy Boy B. Guzman from Kasiglahan Village Elementary School, Schools Division of Rizal Province. And Mark Randall G. Sanchez